Quantum physics is a branch of physics that is in search of the underlying principle which can connect all the major theories which explains the working of our universe. Like the theory of relativity and quantum theory itself. Here we are only considering a possibility where we are definite that there is a common ground between theory of relativity and quantum physics. But there was a physicist who said accept the fact as they appear and don't try to make connection. He was Hugh Everett, a young physicist. Hi, I am Rahul and this is Exposed. Today, which eternal entering video. Today we are going to explore one of the popular and also complicated phenomena of quantum physics, that is quantum entanglement. The basic understanding, and which is also a thing that almost everyone knows, is that something is locked with something else. But the common mistake which we all do is that to think two particles or two objects are physically trapped. But this is not the case. What happens is a quality that has two different attributes will be entangled between two particles. That means if the observer observes an attribute associated with a particle, automatically the other particle acquires the other attribute. For example, the spins of an electron which has upspin and downspin, those are the attributes which are entangled between two electrons. But electrons can be anywhere. And as the early quantum physicists have explained, every event in a quantum system appears only when there is an interaction between two particles. This makes the phenomena of entanglement even more complex as there is no definite initial state for any particle. It depends on the interaction. Consider a pair of gloves. I give a glove to Alice and Bob are on two different corners of globe. Then I knew which glove I gave to the Alice and Bob. But Alice and Bob know the moment they see the gloves which glove the other has. Here are the result is entangled but with a fixed initial value which I knew. But this is not the case which quantum entanglement, because here the initial state is undeterminable. The result can change according to the time the observer observes the particle. Einstein observed this in the year 1935 and said this is not right because this voids the special theory of relativity. As there can be anything faster than light, he called this a spooky action at a distance and said this is not a full picture, and he introduced a new concept of hidden variables. The introduction of these hidden variables made the quantum entanglement the same as situation as a gloves, because Einstein said the attribute of a particular particle are predetermined but hidden until the interaction, which all the phases at that time believe the action is actually instantaneous, so it defines a special theory of relativity. To prove this, Kim Jong-bel with a very complicated dot experiment which made things difficult for even physicists. I am not going to explain the experiment here because I personally don't understand the experiment perfectly. I can give the link for the videos explaining the experiment alone. But today we have the technologies which can actually prove the experiment being true. And it disobey the special theory of relativity. Understanding this and finding a solution which can prove both the site and story of another avenue, which is keeping physicists busy, which lead to the next topic of the video, quantum non-locality. The explanation they gave to this anomalous behavior is specialized name with a bunch of equations which have a product which we want to see. But in reality, this does not say why it is defy a special theory of relativity. To understand non-locality, consider two electrons which different spins which are entangled and which are two ends of a galaxy. Non-locality says how much ever distance between the entangled particles they can communicate instantaneously. When an observer observes one of the particle, that means if see an electron, the observer the upspin instantaneously, the other will have a downspin. This is confirmed by experiments. But it is a mystery. Why it actually wait for an observer to observe? Think about it. I am Rahul and this is Exposed.